Amir says that he asked Alqama, did Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu was along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the jinn night of his meeting with jinnis? Alqama replied, I asked Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu whether anyone of you was accompanying Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the jinn night, but he replied in the negative. One night we were along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam suddenly went out of sight. We started to look for him in mountain passes and valleys. We thought that either jinnis have taken him away or someone has martyred him. We spent that night in extreme apprehension. When the morning dawned, we saw him coming from the cave Hira. We submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, at night you went out of our sight. We meticulously looked after you, but could not find you. We spent this night as a people spend a night in excessive embarrassment. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, a representative of the jinnis came to me, so I went along with him and recited the Quran before them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then took us along with him and showed us the traces of jinnis and their fire. Jinnis asked him about their food. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, the bone of each animal slaughtered in the name of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is your food. No sooner does it come to you than it will get fleshy, and he droppings of every camel is your animal's fodder. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, do not levitate with these two things, as they are your brother's food. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1006.